651 of the Atomic Ivy documentation. We're on BFJ1, which stands for Bombs for Josh. And we are currently stubbing in Bommoth, Bomsimp, and Bomhard. So Bommoth is our manager. Bomsimp is a simple simulation code. Bomhard is a harder to do simulation code. So Bomhard will have more fractal dimension than Bomsimp. Bomsimp will only work with 1x sized bombs, whereas Bomhard will work with different powers of 2. The source code for this snapshot is here. You are on the fast playlist on Kanji Coder. A longer explanation is here on Ninja Coder. Let's get going. So in the system index, we have changed this to systems whatever number 1, and it's just a whole bunch of systems in dependency order that we don't have any strict kind of theme for what these systems do. Then right down here, we have a new section, Systems Simulation, and beneath Conway's Game of Life, we have the new systems, Bomhard, Bomsimp, and Bommoth. These are all simulation systems. Bommoth is a manager class that is going to decide whether or not we're going to run Bomsimp or Bomhard. Bomsimp and Bomhard should not be both running at the same time. Only one should be running, and Bommoth is going to be in charge of doing that. So, for example, if Bommoth detects that a level design does not contain any 2x bombs or any power of 2 size bombs, then it could decide, let's use Bomsimp instead of Bomhard, because since Bomsimp doesn't have to accommodate all those different powers of 2, it could possibly run faster. Here's another system section, just whatever 2, and then const macros by system. We have Bomhard, Bomsimp, and Bommoth. The constants, there's no constants yet in this section, we just stubbed it in. And then in data by system, same idea. Bomhard, Bomsimp, and Bommoth are just stubbed in, but there's no top-level data yet. And then within the function section, we have the Bomhard functions with a dependency enforcer, and then we have the Bomsimp functions with the dependency enforcer, and then we have the dependency enforcer for Bommoth, so this is the Bommoth function section, and that's it. So we got a lot of stuff there, and here's what we did previously, and then here's our all footnotes, and then down here is what we did in this video. And if you want a longer explanation, you will have to go here to the Ninja Coder playlist. You are on the fast playlist. Like and subscribe. Send money in the mail.